So it could be different for different companies. It could be different for a different product as well. We need to know that what will be the plan to actually launch a campaign. So user behavior on the channels used in the campaign needs to be checked. For example, there is a peak time. There's usually a peak time on Facebook at around 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. Indian time. And so you know that, okay, if you want to go ahead and start off with a blast, then you need to run your campaign at like 7 or 8. Now, the third factor is the funnel stage: awareness, consideration, and conversion. It's an integrated approach. The content and creatives are created for each of these stages. Now, each stage is planned differently but interlinked finally to convert a user. So, here's a tip: prepare your social blog post calendar in advance. A good campaign features multiple ads, prepare an ad, and schedule it. Moving on, step number 6: make sure your marketing team agencies are working in sync. Now, this is obviously communication which